Good afternoon, everybody. It's Friday. The weekend is here. It's the 8th of February. We are still in a relatively mild pattern of air, even considering the fact that a cool front moved through last night. We've got a few more mild days, but get set for the middle of February to be a colder period for us. Let you know that right off the bat. Here is our 5 o'clock temperature, 44 in Springfield, but 34 up the road around Rolla, or actually that's Fort Leonard Wood. 32 is the temperature up around Rolla in that area, and it's closer to 50 down in northwest Arkansas in that area. So we are definitely a little bit cooler today than we were at this time yesterday in the wake of that front. Let's take a look at the surface map here. We have some high clouds brushing across the area. That's these wispy little things you see here. Nothing, of course, showing up on radar. This basically represents an area of high pressure right here. That's the center of it where that circle is. And this is the ridge of high pressure that kind of extends down, giving us our fair weather day today. Beautiful conditions. Now, let us pan and zoom. Take a look at the northeast. Huge, what we refer to as a nor'easter going on there. And this is that low pressure area. These are isobars, lines of equal pressure. The closer these are together, the tighter the wind speed. Higher the gradient and the stronger the wind speed is the correct way to say that. And the winds always cross the isobars at an angle like this, moving in toward low pressure like water going down a drain. And we've had some pretty good wind gusts out of this. This is indicating here a 55, actually a 59 mile per hour wind gust there. Off in a buoy, it looks like, and 59 mile per hour gust to around Fort Independence. That's in Suffolk County, Massachusetts. Now, the shading you see on here, I'll take off the storm reports. That's all snow here, and they're forecasting the possibility of 2 to 3 inch snow totals per hour up in that part of the world. So a pretty impressive storm that's just now beginning to impact the area, and this is forecast to travel in this direction, keeping all of New England in play for snow here over at least the next 12 hours or so. Pretty big storm. Let's come back to the central U.S. here. I'll turn off the satellite and the radar and all the other stuff that we have turned on and turn down our model data. What I want to show you here over the next couple of days is this next rain system that we expect in the Ozarks. Let me pan through that. Now, this is tomorrow afternoon at about noon. Notice some showers beginning to develop in Kansas and Oklahoma. There might be some bands of showers here around dinner time in southwest Missouri here. That's kind of the leading edge of some warmer air. And then we see some showers and even a few claps of thunder. Right there, that's Sunday morning. This is all projected radar based on computer model information, and sometimes it's pretty accurate. I happen to think in this case it's pretty good. Again, this is about 6 a.m. on Sunday morning. Notice it clears out of here in pretty short order, and most of Sunday looks good. In fact, our highs on Sunday will be in the 50s, and that is definitely the warmest day in the forecast. All of next week is looking cooler than normal for the most part, and even toward Friday and Saturday, much below normal temperatures. If you're wondering about that snow on Tuesday, downstate Arkansas is where I'd place my money if that's going to occur at all. We'll take a look at that again tomorrow as I release another weather update for the Ozarks about 24 hours from now.